up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got 15 classic cars for sale today. We're going to go through all of them, give you pricing on everything, and do a quick warehouse walk. Guys, if you're interested in any classic car, give me a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Also, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button so you can see all our classic cars. You can watch full walkthroughs of each vehicle you see here today. Plus, you can watch me going out and chasing classic cars. We got some Camaros, we got some Chevelles, we got some Mustangs, a little Mopar over there. But we'll start off in the corner with this 1967 Ford Mustang. This is a 289 V8. It's non-power steering, manual brakes. Runs and drives good. Not a perfect car, but looks good. Needs a little TLC, ready for the next owner to invest a little bit to make this a sharp car. Got this one listed for $15,000. This is our YouTube price. We offer financing and shipping to your doorstep. Not a bad deal, I think, on this 67. This is the money year. Moving on. 1971 Mercury Cyclone. This is a one-owner car. Georgia. No rot, no rust. This thing is 95% original paint, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, single owner, all documented. Got all the paperwork from the dealership when our client bought it brand new. It's got a 351 Cleveland under the hood. Got this one listed for $29,995. $30K buys this. Nice, rare Mercury Cyclone, one owner. I may take this one to Meekum. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Think this is a cool car, unique car? Moving on, 89 Chevy Camaro RS, one owner with 6,500 miles. True documented miles. This thing is showroom condition. It's got T-tops. Look at that interior. Interior's in great shape. You can eat off the carpet. Ice cold air condition. Everything works the way it should. This is a real nice car. Stands tall. Doesn't have a spot of rust or scratches or nicks or dings. It's just a real nice car. It just needs a good buff because it is black. And she's all set. 22.5 on this one. This is museum quality. Moving on. We got this 82 S10. This thing's got a 350 under the hood. Automatic transmission. Very fast, very loud. It's got nice rear tires in the back. It's got about $30,000 invested into this truck. It was my client's truck, local guy in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Got this one listed for $15,000. I think that's a solid deal. Then we got this nice Dodge truck, step side with a 318 4-speed manual. Good condition. I believe this one's a 78. Got this listed for 15 grand. Nice 4-speed V8. Power steering. All right. First Camaro of three. This is a 68. LS1 out of a mid-2010, I believe, Corvette.
It's got weld racing wheels, power steering. It's got line lock, nice big rear tires. Nice car, runs and drives fabulously. It's fast, fuel injected. 6-speed manual transmission. Got this one listed for 55 grand. Resto mod. '65 Mustang with a 289 hypo in it. Pony interior, 4-speed manual. Raven black. Got this one for $25,000. Moving on, 78 Land Rover. Got this one from a client down in Florida. He imported it from Costa Rica, where he was from. He passed away. His daughter sold it to us. It's a diesel, runs and drives really good. Got this one listed for $25,000. Moving on to my favorite in the bunch. 68 Camaro with a 396. Beautiful teal color. It's got a automatic transmission. Beautiful. It's got the digital gauges. Interior's nice. I mean, I'll show you under the hood real quick on this one. This car underneath it, the hood is nice. Look at that. 396, 375 horsepower. Just a real nice car. Clean underneath. 42.5 buys this. Then we got this Camaro here. It's a 4-speed 327. Black interior. Nice driver quality car. This one's $35,000. 4-speed. Moving on, 64 Chevelle True SS convertible with a 350 under the hood. Non-matching numbers, not original 350 car. But it is a True SS, drives good. Got this one listed for 32 grand. Then we got the Fairlane we've had for a while. This has got some lot rot on it, so to speak. No rust, no rot, but it's been sitting on our lot for a while. It's a non-power steering car, manual brakes, but it's got a 289 V8, 13 grand on this one. Then we got the Z2881 with T-tops, 350 under the hood. This one's 11.5. And we got, to nix it out, 2 Mustangs. Fox body, a 95.0 convertible for 15 grand. Clean car, no rust, just a real nice, solid driver, automatic transmission. It's got good PA inspection on it. Ready for a new home. And last but not least, the 67 Mustang 4-speed manual with factory bench seat. And the best part is it's got a 390 big block. This one's $35,000. Hard to find it, guys. Let me know what you think, guys. Do you like the collection? They're all up for sale. That's what we got in the warehouse now. Everything is for sale. Let me know if you like anything. What was your favorite car? What was the best value? What was not the best value? Your opinion matters. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate your comments. If you like it, please hit the like, subscribe. As we grow the channel, we'll get more cars. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Talk to you later.